Good morning student. Today we discussed our 2.2. Its first sum and second sum is very easy. Come on to the third sum. So what is the statement? You are given to the 7 multiply 3 by 5. So firstly what we do, numerator should be multiplied with the numerator and denominator should be multiplied with the denominator. So there is numerator are the 7 and 3. So 7 3s are 21 by 5, that is 21 by 5. Now that is a simple fraction. Then how we change it into a mixed fraction? Divide 21 by 5. I already told to you about that. Again I am repeating. 4 5s are 20. Clear? So how we will write down it? This term will go in the front, that will be go in the down, and that will be go in the upper part. So that will be in the front and that will be in upper part and that will be lower part. Clear? In the lower part. So that is your mixed fraction of 21 by 5. Clear? Then next part is also very easy. Multiply upper part to the upper, numerator to numerator, that is 4 by 3. Again when you change it, it will become 1 by 3. So I think you can do yourself. Let I discussed one typical sum also of this, that is 11 multiply 4 by 7. So 11 4s are 44 by 7 is equal to, again when we change it into the mixed fraction, so 44 should be divided by 7. Clear? So you know 7 6 ja 42. Then on subtracting you go 2 here. So again change, it will be there, that in the lower part, that will be in the upper part. So 6 2 and in the lower part is 7, that will be its mixed fraction. Clear? So all these parts are very easy. I think you can do yourself. Now come on to the fifth sum, that is 1 by 2 of 24. First of all I want to clear that of means you have to multiply. So you are given 1 by 2 of, so on the place of you will put the sign multiply and 24. Now 24 when divided by 2, then you got the 12 answer. Again same 1 by 2 of 46. Of means multiply. So 46 multiply 1 by 2. So when you divide 46 with the 2, you go 23. Same procedure, of mean multiply. I think you can do all part yourself. Clear? One more example there is given, 4 by 5 of 35. So 4 by 5 of means again multiply and 35. When you cut 5 1 ja 5 and 5 7 ja 35, then 7 should be multiplied for with the 4. So 7 4s are 28. That was your fifth sum. Now our sixth sum is 3 multiply 5 1 by 5. So firstly we will change it into a simple fraction. How we will change, I already told to you. Again I am repeating. Multiply this term with this. So 5 5s are 25 and add this term inside it. So 25 plus 1 will be 26 by 5. Clear? One more example, 6 is 3 by 4. So multiply this with that. So on multiply you got 4 6 ja 24 and add to 3. 24 plus 3 you got 27 and by me 4 remain the same. Clear? So that is a way how to change a mixed fraction into a simple fraction. Now come on to your sum. You have to 3 multiply 5 into 1 by 5. So when you change it into a simple fraction, you go 26 by 5. So multiply 3 with it. It does not cancel out. So 3 multiply 26 is equal to 78 by 5. Again when you change 78 by 5 into a mixed fraction. So 5 1 ja 5. Clear? On subtracting you go 2. From upper you take a 8. So that is 28. So 5 5s are 25. Remainder is 3. So that will be in front. That is 15. That will be in upper part. So 3. And in lower part you got the 5. So that is your mixed fraction. Clear? That is 15 3 by 5. Okay, so that is your answer. So same procedure we will repeat in all the parts of this sixth sum. Now come on to the seventh, that is 1 by 2 of 3 2 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 of 2, 3 by 4. So 1 by 2 remain the same, and of mean I told to you multiply. Now change it into a simple fraction. So 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 will be 11 by 4. So multiply 11 with the 1, 11 and 4 with the 2. So 4 2s are 8. Clear? Again we will change it into a mixed fraction. So when you change, you go 3 by 8. So same procedure will be followed in all the parts. Now come on to the 8th sum. Clear? So their total water is given to the 5 liter, and with their drink 2 by 5 of this 5 liter water. Of mean again multiply. So 2 by 5 multiply 5. 5 cancel out 5. So she drink the 2 liter water. Then remaining part is drinked by to the Pratap. We will take the total 1. Part is 2 by 5 drink by Vidya. So remaining part is drink by the Pratap. So subtract 2 by 5 from 1. Then on subtraction we will take the LCM. 5 will be LCM of this. Then on cross multiplication 5 1 ja 5 and minus 2. That is 3 by 5 part will be drinked by the Pratap. Clear? Now come on to the exercise 2.3. That is also very easy. You have to just multiply the fraction term. Clear? That is 1 by 4 of 1 by 4. Again I told to you of mean multiply. So multiply 1 1 ja 1 and 4 4 ja 16. Same 1 by 4 of 3 by 5. So 1 by 4 multiply 3 by 5. So 3 1 ja 3 and 4 5 ja 20. Same procedure is following all this exercise. I think you can do yourself very easily. Now come on to the 4th sum of this exercise. Before that sum, all parts are very easy. In some you have to change the mixed fraction into simple, and some simple fraction into mixed, and then of I told to you multiply. So same procedure will be follow. Clear? Now you have to check which one term is greater in the 4th sum. Clear? One is given 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Firstly change it into a simple term. 2 by 7 of means multiply 3 by 4. Now multiply. You know that what will be there? 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Clear? There will be 3 and 7 2 ja 14. And on other side 3 by 5 of 5 by 8. Then on cancelling you got 3 by 8. Now you have one is 3 by 14 and second one is 3 by 8. We have to check which one is greater. Then take the LCM of 14 and 8, the denominator term. And you know that LCM of 14 and 8 is 56. Clear? Now we will change this 14 into 56. Then by which number I will do multiply the 14, so it will change into a 56. So I multiply with the 4, because you know that 14 4s are 56. If you are multiply the denominator with 4, then you have to multiply numerator also with the 4. So multiply both the term with 4. So that will be 12 by 56. Same thing here. Multiply with the 7, so that it will change into a 56. That is 21 by 56. So compare which one is greater, 12 or 21. You go 21 is greater, so means this term is greater. Second part is also same. Clear? So this one your 2 point, other parts are very easy of this exercise. So this one complete your 2.2 and 2.3. Thank you so much.